Now I will start practice set 19 of standard 7th. Draw the pairs of angles and describe below. That means you have to draw the pairs of angle. अगर ज़रूरत पड़ रहा है तो ड्रॉ करना है, अगर नहीं तो आप उसका रीज़न स्ट्रेट बताओ. So here complementary angle that are not adjacent. In this they are saying the angle should be complement but it not be adjacent to each other. So see students, अब कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल जो है वो आपको पता है कि टू एंगल्स combine two angles that will give you 90 degree, that is complementary angle. So students, like this we draw the complementary angle, right? But this is adjacent to each other, right? This angle is also adjacent and this angle is also adjacent to each other, so you will write separate. See here I have drawn, here I have taken 35 degree and here 55 degree, this together becomes 90 degree. So this becomes complementary angle also, and they are not adjacent to each other also. Now see the second one, angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. Now in this they are saying the angle in a linear pair, that means angle जो है वो linear pair में होना चाहिए, like this, and which are not supplementary. Up now students, this linear angle is also 180 degree and supplementary angle is also 180 degree. So this is possible that you should not draw a supplementary angle. No, you will draw linear angle, then also it will look the same like supplementary angle. So it is not possible students. So what is the reason? The angles in a linear pair are always supplementary angle. Now see the third one, complementary angles that do not form a linear pair. That means the angle should form a complementary angle but do not form a linear pair. Linear pair नहीं form होना चाहिए पर complement होना चाहिए. तो what we are doing here, we are doing the separate, we are taking out the complementary angle separate, like I have taken 40 degree and here 50 degree, like this. Now see the fourth one, adjacent angles which are not in a linear pair. That means the angle should be adjacent to each other but are not linear. linear नहीं होना चाहिए और adjacent होना चाहिए. ऐसा कुछ बोला नहीं यहाँ पे कि it should be complementary or it should be supplementary. So they are just saying it should not be a linear pair. So I have taken here this angle and this angle. I didn't make it the straight. Like this you have to take it. Now here the fifth one, angles which are neither complementary nor adjacent. That means angle should not be complementary also and linear also. So here I have taken 70 degree angle and here 40 degree angle. So this is not complementary also and they are not adjacent also. Sixth one, angles in a linear pair which are complementary. Here they are saying the angle in a linear pair, जो angle है वो linear pair में होना चाहिए, which are complementary, और वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी होना चाहिए. स्टूडेंट्स अब ये आपको पता है कि लीनियर एंगल जो है ये 180 डिग्री है और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल जो है वो 90 डिग्री होता है. तो हाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल वो लीनियर भी होना चाहिए और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी होना चाहिए. सो वी कैन ड्रॉ लाइक दिस. सो स्टूडेंट्स वी कैन राइट हियर इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल because angle in a linear pair are always supplementary angle. That's why we can't draw complementary angle. Okay, so we stop here. In next video I will show you practice set 20. Thank you students.